The European Union has launched two World Trade Organization disputes against which two countries? And the answer is Austria and Denmark. Which IIT has successfully converted petroleum-based toluene into a useful product? And the answer is IIT Bombay. How many countries celebrated the Earth Hour 2019? And the answer is 188. Which among the following state tops in the e-learning training for field staff? And the answer is Telangana. United Nations appoints whom as investigation head for Myanmar? And the answer is Nicholas Koumjian. Which of the following variety of turmeric gets the geographical indication tag from Intellectual Property India? And the answer is Kandhama Haldi. Name of the bank which becomes the first lender to charge for UPI use? And the answer is Kotak Mahindra Bank. With which company Indraprasth Gas Limited signed an Memorandum of Understanding to set up integrated customer services and optimize value for customers? And the answer is Tata Power. Who builds the longest suspension bridge Maitri Bridge over the Indus River in the Leh-Ladakh region? And the answer is Indian Army. Which river flowing through the London city, England? And the answer is River Thames. Which one is the tallest tower in the world? And the answer is Tokyo Skytree in Japan. Only continent in the world without a desert is? And the answer is Europe. Which one is the capital of Spain? And the answer is Madrid. Emu bird is found in the country? And the answer is Australia. In which country the tallest waterfall of the world, Angel Falls, is located? And the answer is Venezuela. Which river is passing through the Paris city? And the answer is Seine. In which country Yellowstone National Park is located? And the answer is USA. Which one is the longest continental mountain range in the world? And the answer is Andes. How many countries were participated as founding member of United Nations? And the answer is 51. Which one is the largest tropical rainforest in the world? And the answer is Amazon. Watch our other videos. If you have any questions, leave a comment. We will answer it in next Q&A video. Please support us. Like, share, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon.